I'm here at the Victoria Falls Hotel, and then I was coming back after my breakfast. I found this gentleman, Dominic, standing here with the rifle in his hand. I came by and said hello to him and asked him, what are you doing? And he said he's keeping the baboon and the monkeys away because the guests at the hotel, are having breakfast. Sometimes they come and disturb, climb on the table, they eat the food. So I asked Dominic whether he kills the animals, and this is what he said to me.
We do not kill the animals, but we scare them away because they just jump on the table, disturb people when they are having their breakfast. So if they come to be very naughty, we call the national parks, then the national parks come and pick them and put them away, is what I'm doing.
So have you ever killed an animal?
No. I'm not allowed to kill. I just scare the animals only.
So there we have it. He's got a gun, and it's very easy for him to pull the trigger and kill and say, and justify his actions because that's his job. But then, he respects the animal world just as much as the animal world respects the human being. So he's a caretaker of us human beings and caretaker of those animals out there. It's amazing that he has got a role to take care of us and take care of the animals as well. Incredible. And Africa is an amazing place where they have lived in harmony and in peace with the wild animals and nature and the wild animals have rewarded them bountifully, and they will continue to do so for millions and millions of years to come. Thank you. Thank you, Dominic.
Thank you very much. Enjoy your day, sir.
I certainly will enjoy my day, and I will surely come back, and perhaps I'll meet you again taking care of us.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye for now.